The easiest way to host a Friday night without cooking. I'm Maddy with Creekside Winery, and this is Friday Fill with High King. And tonight we're building a charcuterie board for a bold red. This is our 2022 cab, and this has notes of dark cherry, plum preserves, and dried herbs. And that is why I chose these ingredients to pair well with this, because this is a big-bodied red, and we've got lots of tannins. So that is why we would pair some sharp cheddar, some aged Asiago, and our garlic dill to match the dried herbs in our wine. Okay, so now we've got our cheese. We've got our Asiago aged and our extra sharp cheddar. And that's why I chose this buttery cracker, because those pair well with the bigger cheeses. A lot of what we know about wine and cheese came from French monks. What grows together goes together. Now that I've got my wine in my flask and my charcuterie ready, I'm ready to head out to the patio. Now this is how you start a weekend. Cheers.